Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's a manager, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of things that you should take note of about Seed Airdrop to prevent yourself from losing your account permanently. So as you can see, this is Paul's community, and the Paul's channel is currently unavailable. It has been deactivated by Telegram. They said you can't access this chat because you were banned by the admin. No, that's not what happened. The account was actually banned from Telegram. So if you come here to check this place, this is Pab Durov's channel, which is the owner of Telegram's channel. And of course, this is what he said. We've agreed with Thorn Foundation to make Thorn the exclusive blockchain partner of Telegram. Thorn will be our blockchain infrastructure for tokenization, payout, mini app integrations, and more. So this simply means that Telegram would actually be only supporting projects that are exclusively listed on Thorn, and Seed is not one of them. Seed is supposed to be listed on what's it called, Sui blockchain. So basically what you have to do now to secure your seed, as you can see, my seed is 445. So you go to airdrop anyway. So before that, kindly subscribe to this channel firstly, and do the necessary things. So you can connect, or I don't know if you can disconnect, but you can confirm if you have a connected Thorn wallet here. I don't know also if this Thorn wallet simply means that they are coming back to Thorn, but there is no announcement yet. So just confirm the Thorn wallet that is yet to be on the safer side, and take note of it. For most persons, this Thorn wallet is actually their OKX Thorn wallet. So make sure to check your OKX. Maybe you might have connected without remembering. So that's basically what you have to do. Or you can disconnect your wallet, which of course I'm not going to do, and connect another one again. Basically, you can just do that, but me, I'm not going to do that here. So you can check your airdrop. So to actually protect your account, you click on check airdrop, and then you go to your dashboard. And you wait. So of course I've made a video about how to secure your match quest airdrop and all that. So basically what you have to do is click on this place right here. Once you click on it, and then you click on open in. You go to this place, open in. So once you click on open in, it will take you to your default browser. In my own case, my default browser is the Mrs. browser. So take note of this. My default browser is the Mrs. browser. So it will take me to the Mrs. browser. So here it is right here. So I'm going to go back. Okay. So the name of this website is playseedgo.com. So once you open this website, you will connect your Telegram account to it. So once you connect your Telegram account, you'll be able to participate in other activities that will be coming up. So right. So basically what you have to do now is go to this place, login with Telegram. So once you click on login with Telegram, it will automatically give you option to open your Telegram. So it's going to authenticate your Telegram account. So you have to select the Telegram account that is connected with your Seed. So make sure you have only one Telegram account in that phone, or if you want to, you can log out of the other one, and then basically you can just click on this logout and log in the next one that is connected with the account that you prefer. Okay, so basically there is no need to panic. As you can see, I have connected my account. So it's as simple as that. Then what you have to do now is you can go to marketplace where you purchase whatever you want. As you can see, here is also the wallet that I've already connected. So that's the Thorn wallet that I've already connected. So marketplace has not been properly integrated. So to be on the safe side, just do this. To be on the safe side, to protect your account so that you won't hear stories that touch. So you scroll down, like I said, you go to this place and then you add it to your home screen. To make all these things easy for you, add it to your home screen so that it will be saved as an app. What you have to do now is install it. So it will be showing as Seed Go. So it has already successfully been saved, and then what you have to do now is go back, and as you can see, this is saved properly as Seed Go. So whenever you want to open it, basically there is where you come, click on this, it will open the browser, the Mrs. browser directly, and open the web page for you, to open the web page straight up for you. That's basically what you have to do. So to protect your account for now, just take this necessary step, and of course this is what is showing right here. So anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. You can of course join our WhatsApp community, the link will be in the description, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.